blanch the vegetables. I love stir fries. I mean, there's nothing that compares to a good stir fry.
Yeah. So we boil in the mushroom
Yeah.
and the green vegetable together.
Right. And then you'll put it in this and put it here only.
Yeah, put it here.
Okay.
And we just crunch about
The texture, the green
Yeah, the green is and the color is changed.
color.
Now you
Right.
can,
Right.
around 2 minutes,
Yeah.
salt and a little bit oil for the boiling the vegetable.
Okay.
We put some mushrooms.
Right.
What mushroom if you can buy, from the shop, you can put some. I know Indian somebody they don't eat the mushroom.
Yeah, vegetarians don't eat mushroom.
Be careful your hand. I put it. So in the end, we put a little bit the starch.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because it's always a.
There's too much liquid water uncooked. Yeah, your fish.
Wow.
The shiny, no water in the bottom. Yeah.
Simple cooking.
Yeah, simple cooking.
Wow.